Hi guys, this is going to be some of my fidgets. First of all, we got the puppet. You might... Okay, I'm just going to go on the the not popping sound. Quickly. Now this is where the ASMR. That's one. This is basically gonna be all my fidgets. Let me quickly just yeah. Ready for the next one? Come on. Both sides are really like weird. We've got this puppet. Say controller puppet. Oh, we got these. I'm going to continue with those later. So we got the glow in the dark puppet. I can't really show you how it's glow in the dark because it's kind of really light outside and it's really hot. Okay. There we go. We got this one. Ooh. This is oh no, that wasn't in the popping side. Well, for watching this, if you message me on Xbox how many pops there was there, yeah, so this is the non-popping side that we quickly just. It's weird, like the non-popping side, because it's like really weird. There we go. Don't worry about this one. This is just exact. I think this is exactly the same as last one. There. Well, we got this. I'm gonna go over this 2 times because it's big and loud. Alright, I'm gonna go up 4 times for this and third. I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of the things and just telling you what these things are. This is a Iron Man. Yeah. And then we got this. Oh yeah. Fidget spinner one. Oh yeah, we got this dimple. You can't really hear that, but if you can, okay. Let's go on to the these are really good. So I'm gonna move these along side. So like it, you know. So what you do? Press it down. Oh no. You put it, make it inside out. So what you do is, so you hold it, make it inside out, and then you gotta keep it still, go like that. It like just pops up. You might be able to see in a minute if I can be able to do it. I just need a different one. They're like, some of them like actually stay for once. They're meant to like jump really high. I think this red one's good. I don't know. Oh no! Ready? Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, I need to just let go. I might not be able to show you these, but just to let you know they're really good. Oh, no. Let me go back to the yellow one. The yellow one was like really good. Oh no, there's 3 more. There's 3 more hidden ones, and there's a green. You might see that. This one seems really good. It's quite hard. Yeah, I know, I get it. Okay, so what you have to do is push it down, like push it and make it inside out. Then you have to let go of it, like just like. Oh, thought I did it. There we go. I'm quickly gonna get that. See, that's what I meant. Now we can move on to the next. Let's just go random. Let's just go tangle. This is a tangle, so what I'm gonna do is tangle it like that, then go like that, then just pull it, and it untangles. So I can just fiddle with it. It's really fun. Okay, so this is missing a little, yeah, but I think it's more better because it's just missing a thing. It's more dangerous, but so you got this click inside. That's one where you turn around. Then we got that. You got this. You got this thing here. You got this. There's more. I can't remember what he has this. The yellow and green don't actually make noise. You can just keep pressing it. These do. The blue and red do. What am I missing? I know I'm missing something. I'm not. Am I? Yeah, I don't think I'm not. I don't think I am. Oh, that's that. Then we got. I'm sure a lot of you've seen these. Yeah. Let's just. Yeah. And then we got these. We're gonna move on to these. Marble. I can't remember what they're called. But you can do this with them, and then just. Yeah. And then you got this one. Oh no, I need to put them back. 1 minute. I keep forgetting. Like chains. And then we got this monkey noodles now. We got this little thin one, like really thin one. Right, then we got the thicker. Then we got the even thicker. Then we got the last one, even thicker. Then we have a mochi. I don't know if I showed you this, but it's like a little mochi. Oh yeah, we got this. I can't remember what they're called. They're just like really fidgety, and all you have to do is this. Like, don't do anything else really. It'll break. Okay, so we have these. I've got 5 because of the ones that, yeah. But normally, like, you can just like play them like this. It's really hard, but like, do you know what you can do? I need to move all this other way. So you get this one. So, and then you get it between. Oh, I missed. Okay, so you need to get them in like that. And then like you're meant to like put them through, and then 1, 2, and then you can just literally just fiddle with them. It's really cool. So what I like to do is get 3, and then just go like this. So like get 3 of them. And I just like to go like this. It makes for like really funny shapes. Let's move them aside. Oh, we got these. Why did I have 2 of them? I don't know where it's gone. Yeah. So we got that. It's you can make any shape with it really. Like I can make a square if I wanted to. Actually, I'm just making a square now. All the sides don't have to. Let's make it a rectangle. No way. So I'll put 2 here, and then I'll put 3. Then, oh no way. No. It's meant to join like that, but no. Let's just make it join quickly. No. Yeah, look, like odd rectangle. Not real. It's not really. It's a trapezium by the looks of it. It's pea popper. I'm gonna face you so you can just see the faces. That's cool. And we've got another one of these. I'm going to show you. See if it works this time. Hopefully it does. I'm going to give it 2 more tries. 1, or 5 more tries. This is number 2. That's number 3. That would have worked if I just put my hands away. So whenever you let go of it, you need to be really quick. That's number 4, I think. I'm losing track. Okay, that's number 5. Oh, we got the infinity cube, and oh yeah, I can see the other one I was talking about. It's really fun. Like you can just keep like, yeah. You can undo it, you can redo it. Like if you go like that, then you can take it back. It's a really fun one. I do recommend it. Then you got another one of these. I've already showed you. So this is my. So this is my fidget.